Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, PoshProductJunkie, and today we're going to be trying something new. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Okay, so today we're going to be trying snacks from another country. I got this video idea from the good cousin herself, Just for TV. I'll link her channel down below. We're going to be trying these snacks, and I really can't remember what country. I'm thinking I did Japan. I'm not sure. It took a little while for these to come. I don't think they come straight from another country, but in fact, where does it come from? They come from Florida. But it did take a little while for it to get here, I guess because of the holiday. I have my son here. He does not want to be on camera. He does not want to say hi, but he's here and he'll be trying the snacks with me. Okay, so it is Snack Crate is what we're doing, and it is Japan. And when you open it up, it tells you, it just says an item was unavailable at the time of packing your snack crate. Good news, we've included a replacement snack to make up for the missing item. Oh, I hope it's not the Kit Kat. I hope that wasn't it. Anyways, it gives you a information card about your country. And then it also tells you about each snack. Okay, so this is how it looks when you open it. That was my thumbnail. This is so cute. Okay. So the first thing we have here is some edamame. And it says these crunchy nuggets have a salty soybean flavor mixed perfectly with just the right amount of roasted almonds. Best served with a frosty beverage. So we won't be having a frosty beverage, but we're going to try these edamame. You ready to try edamame? Mm-hmm. Okay. So I'm just going to cut them open. Smells good. Smells like a peanut kind of. It tastes real earthy.
You're right.
Okay. So, Son says they're alright. I agree. They're just alright. So we also have water to rinse our palate. Okay. So the next thing we have here, should we do like all the salty things first and then sweet, or should we go back and forth? Okay, so the next thing we have here are watermelon gummies. It says the sweet and juicy flavors of watermelon reincarnated into gummy form. This summer snack has luscious texture that pretty much, I can't read y'all, pretty much melts in your mouth. Oh, I guess I should show it. So everything on the package, let me show the edamame. Everything on the package is in Japanese. Okay, so these are watermelon gummies. Edamame was okay. These smell good. It seems like something I've tasted before.
Extra gum.
He says extra gum. These are good. And it tastes like they have like a little, little sugar on it, like little crystals. Okay, these are good. And that's the watermelon gummies. Okay. The next thing we have are Pretzel, tomato flavored pretzel sticks, kind of like. It says Pretzel ripe tomato. These slightly salty but always crunchy biscuit sticks are bursting with fresh and savor flavors of ripe tomatoes. So that's tomato flavored biscuits. What? Yeah. Okay, so there's 2 packs inside. One only open, one. These look like Pockies. Smells like tomato sauce, like a breadstick kind of. These are really good. Kind of reminds me of a Pringle, right? Okay, these are good. So these are the Pretzel tomato biscuit sticks. Okay, Japan. Y'all showing out a little bit, because I surely was not. Oh, the one thing that we were looking forward to is not even in here. We were looking forward to the what is it, matcha Kit Kat? They're not even in here. That's probably the thing that was out of stock. Split this?
Yeah, it's like one.
Okay, you've seen this?
Yeah.
So the next thing we have is, what is this? I can't read it. Let's do this. Oh, it's a umabo. This delicious stick is a puffed corn snack with the perfect amount of crunch. Available in many flavors, we've included a few of our favorites for you to try. So they have 2 of them in here, but how do we know what the flavor is? So these are the 2 that they sent. I guess we'll have to figure out the flavor. I'm nervous. Okay, so you said split it?
Yeah, it's like a stick.
Uh-oh. Oh, it's all crunchy. It tastes familiar. It doesn't taste bad. It's not my favorite. But something about it tastes familiar to me. Tastes like Worcestershire sauce or something, doesn't it? Like some type of... Do we want to try the other one or keep going? Okay, so we're going to skip that one and keep going. Okay, so the next thing we have are porky. What does this say? They didn't send that many sweets. They sent mostly... do. I don't know what this is. It just says porky. Okay. Can you look this up? Porky. P-O-R-I. Look like Po-Ricky. Okay. Oh, they sent 2 different kind of Po-Rickies. So one looks like it's corn flavor and the other one looks like it's vegetable flavor. Like kebab maybe. So we're gonna try the kebab flavored. These also look like little biscuits. They're okay. A quick little snack. Yeah, they're alright.
I found out what the flavor was. That's this is it's octopus balls.
Shut up. What? So he said that
It's made out of wheat.
Wheat?
Yeah. But
That
the flavor is octopus.
But it's probably natural flavorings. They probably took some. Anyways, he says that the flavor of these are octopus balls. Like octopus meatballs?
Yeah.
Oh, octopus meatballs. Anyway, I don't know about that one. Whew, okay. So the next thing we have are Choco Balls. Okay, so we do have more sweets. These are Choco Balls. I'm really disappointed that they didn't send the Kit Kats. Okay, so for the Choco Balls, it says, these delightful chocolate-covered peanuts have become one of the most iconic candies in Japan. They are just as much fun to play with as they are to eat. Who plays with their food? Okay, so the aftertaste of that, wait, is the porky the octopus balls or the other one?
The other one.
Can you look up the porky? It's kind of good. Like the aftertaste. Okay. So these are basically chocolate covered peanuts.
It's barbecue. It's barbecue flavor.
Oh, okay. So the kebab looking porkies are barbecue flavored. Pretty good. These aren't bad. Kind of like a off-brand M&M. Or like the chocolate covered candies that you get at like Walgreens or somewhere. Yeah, it's not bad. Okay. Should we try the corn porky? No? Okay. And then the last thing we have are, I don't know why I'm looking at it like I can read it. Monster gum. These tiny gum balls are jam-packed with flavor. Beware, one of the 3 pieces has been spiked with the intense sour flavor. Eat at your own risk. Okay, let's rinse our palettes. Okay. You want to pick first or you want me to? They smell good. They're in like a little tray. Oh, they all look just alike. So it says, beware because one of the 3 is spiked with extreme intense flavor. So he picked the first or last, depending on which way you're looking at it. I'm going to take the one in the middle. What?
Mine's good.
Yours is good? Mine's is good. So it's the last one. Maybe we'll split it later. This is really good.
They're really soft.
Yeah. I wonder what the flavor is. It's really good. And that's it. We have one more.
Grape.
Is it grape?
No, that's different.
Oh no, they had high chew grape on here, but we didn't get that. I don't like anything grape. That gum is really good. Okay, so now that we've tried all of the snacks, I'm gonna go through and see which one that I like the best. I definitely would say that the watermelon gummy was probably my favorite. It smells good, it tasted good, like right when you ate it, it was good, and then the flavor was lasting. My favorite salty was the Prez tomato flavored biscuit. So these were probably my favorite 2 snacks. You agree, or did you have different ones?
I agree.
Okay, so my son agrees that he liked the watermelon gummies and the tomato flavored biscuits. So those were our favorites out of the group. Hey guys, so that concludes this video. With my son, we tried snack crate snacks from Japan. I think I might try this again just to, you know, try like other snacks from other countries. I think it's, you know, a good idea just to like expand our horizons. Anyways, if you've tried this type of thing before, let us know down below how you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. Please remember to thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you so much for watching.